It's a little slow on the uptake of this one. We're starting the tear down of the parts van. As you can see, we got the glass and the doors and most of the interior off. But the good stuff still to come. The cut down.
Yeah.
I was filming that.
You what?
I wish I'd been filming that when it fell. Oh. I missed it.
Did you? I didn't even know you were out here.
I just got here. Pile of stuff. That was a good action sequence, but I missed it.
Well, keep recording. And don't stand in back.
Oh, you're going that way? You might want to move the extension cord. Want some help?
All right, we're on day 2 of getting rid of a Type 2. I cut the corners, pretty much quartered the side of the van. It's upside down. Actually, it's not upside down. That's the spare tire well, and the rest of it the inside. And I just got this side here almost apart, as you can see. Quartered that section, and this side here is just a matter of giving it a cut bolt of, yeah, like that, and another quarter. So roof's off, the front section's all apart. I got the pedal assembly out today, or most of it. Don't want to take the steering apart yet because then I got no way of moving it around, so I'm going to just hold off on that and just keep quartering it up and getting rid of it piece by piece. The poor thing is so rotten underneath, it's not funny. The whole frame is just gone on this side. Alright, the reciprocating saw made short work of the side. It's sitting right there. And I just cut right along that wheel well, the floor, right across, and then up, and it basically fell off. If anyone's questioning the amount of rot that's in this thing, it's amazing. This is the frame. That isn't supposed to be there. There is a whole lot that's supposed to be there. And as you get into your torsion area, you can see, look, that's just gone. It's just rotten. Unbelievable. But that's what the Canadian roads do to vehicles right there. It rots them. And it rots them good. Oh, so there's some more. I don't know if what's going on there. Look at that. Nasty. Anyway, that's why it's a parts van. It's a donor vehicle, and I'm getting what I can off it, and the rest goes to scrap. So, yeah, I'll keep you informed, keep you posted as I go along. I'm gonna cut this bad boy up into chunks. Well, I went in for lunch. I took a little break. I got quite a bit done here this morning, but still, I still have a vehicle more or less in the garage or in the driveway, not in my garage. But I do have one over there that needs to get in my garage, and I got a box full of van parts now, and a yard full of van beds. So I'm going to load all this stuff into this thing, and I'm going to pull it up front and resume cutting up maybe some other time. It's pretty hard to do by myself, and if I make it unmobile by cutting it in half, which I'm thinking about doing, cutting it right across this line right here and separating it, and then if I do that, I won't be able to move this thing around to do any more work to it, and it will be blocking my garage door. So, you know, you gotta think about what you're doing before you just hack into it, which I'm famous for doing. So right now I just gotta pile a bunch of crap in there and then move it. Well, I did what I could do. I piled all the crap on top of the chassis, what's left of it, and bit by bit I'll take it to the metal recyclers. What's good is we put in the Greenlee box over here, and have a pile of stuff over there for sheet metal bits, and we got a happy girl there. And so that concludes our weekend of dismantling fun, and hopefully we'll get that front beam ripped out of there and get the rest of it recycled. And I like to get that steering box. I like to salvage that too. But anyway, thanks for watching, and maybe we'll update the final resting spot of it.
Dun, dun, dun.
Thanks for watching.